Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need black pony beads, green pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and I have a long piece of string that measures about 60 inches. And we're going to start by putting this side of the string down, and then on this side we're going to add 5 black beads. Okay, we're going to put these two ends together and let the beads go to the middle. Now put that side down and we're going to add 5 green beads. We're going to take this side and go through all these green beads, and we're going to put these ends together and pull the green beads down to the middle. Now we're going to add a green, 3 black beads, and a green. Now if you want, you can put your needle onto the end of the string to make it easier to go through this side if you want. Now, since we have this started, you can start pulling both sides of the string. We're going to add a black, 3 green, and a black. We're going to put our string through all these beads, and we're going to grab both ends and then pull. We're going to add 5 black, we're going to take our string and we're going to go all the way through. We're going to grab both ends of the string and pull. We're going to add 5 green beads. We're going to take our string and go through all 5. Grab both ends and then pull. We're going to add a green, a black, a green, and 2 black. We're going to take the other string and go through all those beads, and then we're going to grab both ends and then pull. We're going to put on 2 green, 1 black, and then 2 more green. We're going to go through all these beads. I'm going to grab both ends and pull. We're going to add 5 black beads. We're going to go through all 5 black beads. Take your ends and then pull. We're going to add a black, 3 green, and a black. We're going to go through all those beads, grab your ends, and then pull. We're going to add a green, 2 black, and a green. Whoops, I'm sorry. It's 3 black and a green. We're going to go through all those beads. We're going to grab our ends and pull. We're going to add a green, 3 black, and a green. We're going to take our string and go through all those beads. Grab your ends and pull. We're going to add a black, 3 green, and a black. We're going to go through all those beads. Grab your ends and pull. We're going to add 5 black, we're going to go through all those beads. Grab your ends and pull. So at this time my ends are starting to get short and I need more string to finish the bracelet. Also, this part is loose, so we need to tighten it up a bit. So if you just grab the middle of the string and pull the beads down. And you also can do it this way if you okay, now that we have that tightened, let's add the last letter. So we're going to add 5 green, we're going to take our string and go through all 5. Grab your ends and pull. We're going to add a green, a black, a green, 2 black. We're going to take our string and go through all of those beads and pull your ends. We're going to add 3 green and 2 black. Take our string and go through all these beads. Pull your ends. And then we're going to add 5 black. Pull your ends. Okay, so we have all our letters on. Now we need to add a few more rows to finish the bracelet. So you're just going to keep adding 5 black beads. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back to show you how to tie it off. Okay guys, I went ahead and ended up adding 6 rows of the black beads. So once you're finished, what you need to do, what we're going to do is take this piece of string and we need to go through the last row of the bracelet. And we're going to put these ends together, tie it, and then cut this off. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.